Hi everybody. This is Henry at Greystone Carving Studio. So I was doing affirmations, which I've run out of. So here is a haiku with the haiku story by a man called Ken Jones. Tea time is another grateful ritual. At Habit's tea room and terrace, the regulars are at their favourite tables selecting their favourite cakes. The trolleys are pushed by pert waitresses in black with starched white pinafores and lace headdresses. A frail but perky old fellow limps from his wheelchair and enjoys his daily peach melba. Opposite, at a corner table, a hard-faced but characterful woman stirs her Earl Grey tea, bone china and purple eyeshadow. She knows a thing or two. Old age is not for softies. Her husband sits hunched opposite, their silence proclaiming a marriage long outlived. Navy blazer, jaw clenched, he stares into the blue beyond. Unseen, but right before him floats Saint Tudno's seagull, sunlight through its wings.